Okay, I did it again. I went shopping for some plants for my pollinator garden and the entry garden that I have to do, and a couple of pots. So I planted some seedlings, but the seedlings are so small that the slugs and the earwigs are decimating all of them. So I want to show you everything that I bought on this plant haul that I'm going to be planting today. I'll show you all the plants, and then I'm going to probably plant and show you that on another video, but I wanted to show you a quick video of the things that I bought that I think are stunning and I am so excited about. So I'm going to start with this basil. This is actually a Home Depot. They had just brought out a bunch of plants on there, and this is a bonsai called Bonsai Basil Kitchen Minis, and there's 4 plants in here, but it is a deal because he has 4 plants that I'm going to be able to put in different beds. I bought 2 of these, so that gave me 8 plants. Look how pretty. It smells incredible, and it's super tiny. It's like a miniature little basil. The smell is amazing. Then, not at Home Depot, another local place, I bought this sunflower. It's called Sunflower Smiley, and this is from a local type of landscape place. It's actually a grocery store, and it's so pretty. It's just a miniature sunflower, super short, and I thought this would be really beautiful in one of my beds. You can see it a little better here. This also is from a local place, but I've never seen the dwarf sunflowers like this, so I'm super excited to get this on the pollinator garden. They had one that was blonde in the center, but I think this is a really pretty one. The next one that I bought was a little dahlia, because I need to add some small ones to my pollinator garden, and this is Dahlia Emily, and it's gorgeous. It has a really pretty pink color to it with a yellow center. So I wanted to get some more of those. Now I bought a few dahlias. This one broke when I was unpacking it, and this is the color of the dahlia. It's like a burgundy color, really stunning dahlia. Usually I don't like this red colors, and that one was so pretty with the dark leaf. You know that I love dark leaf. This is it's called City Lights, and that's the flower. City Lights purple. The dark leaves are just stunning to me. They're my favorite dahlias to get. The other one, dark leaf also, is the City Lights Lavender Pink. And it has this beautiful pink color, sort of mauve color. And then the leaves are purple green, but the stem is purple. I love that because it brings a lot of contrast to the garden. But this is such a pretty one if you're looking for a smaller dahlia. These are all small dwarf. And the next one, which is a purple, these were only $8 again at a local place. City Lights Orange. The City Lights are just so pretty. Dark leaf, but look at that beautiful orange flower with the yellow center. I really love it. It starts really deep, sort of orange color. The short dahlias can be amazing in the garden. I'm gonna come this way to show you this. Look how pretty this is. I want to put this in my dahlia patch. It's called Sunny Susy, S-U-S-Y, Rose Sensation. Look how beautiful that is. I bought 2 of these. One I'm gonna plant on my arch that has the climbing hydrangea because it's almost done blooming, and the other one is gonna be on the arch or my dahlia patch on the back where the sweet peas did not grow. They got stunted. I'm gonna put one of these so there's flowers and something soft in the backgrounds against the dahlia. But it's already, look how long, so pretty. I am just in love with it. I did get a Cosmo, and the reason I have Cosmos that I grew from seed, but I wanted a white one, and I did plant one on my pollinator garden, but it got decimated by the bunny. It wasn't big enough, so I got a little larger one, and they had just arrived at Home Depot, so I got one of them. Another one that I got at Home Depot is this beautiful puppy anemone, and the color was so pretty. I think I'm gonna probably plant this on a pot that I have here by the seating area in my patio. And once I put it on the pot, it's probably gonna get a lot bigger, but the color was so gorgeous. Look how cute that is. I'm excited about this one. Now, one that I could not believe, and I got 2 of them, is this celosia. And I don't think the video is gonna make it justice. It's like metallic fluorescent looking celosia. I don't think you can see it. It's like a pink metallic color. The leaves are super shiny. It is, even the leaves have a metallic look to them. They're so unique. I fell in love with this. This is called Celosia Dragon Breath. And I'm putting one on my dahlia patch because it only grows to, I think, 18 to 24 inches. So it's perfect for the spot that one of my seedlings die with the heat. It'll add a lot of color, and the pink color, usually I don't like super bright flowers, but these are so beautiful. Look, I got 2 of them. They're absolutely stunning. I found these at Home Depot. They had just brought these in, and they're totally worth it. I got 2 of them. The other one that I'm gonna put on a pot on my vegetable, my kitchen garden, I'm super excited because I've never seen one like this. Look at the color of that. If you can see, it's starting to come out. It's super pink. So this is from a local place. I'll show. Cranberry Lace Bee Balm. But it is also like a super almost fluorescent color to the flower. Really pretty. So I'm putting this on a pot next to the big long garden bed, the Vigo bed that I have. I couldn't believe the color. Usually I see them like a reddish pink color. I've never seen this color before. So this was a local place, so I don't know where you can find them. And then they only had 3 left at the another local place that I visit a lot, of the Superbissima Vista bubble gum from Proven Winners. So I got 3 of these because I'm making a change to where my the rose tree is for the Emily Bronte. So I'm gonna plant 3 of these, and I got the only 3 they have. They didn't have any more. Now there's 2 plants that I want to plant on my pond. I have, if you saw a trough that came from a fire pit, I told you that way back when I was talking about when I was remaking the pond. And I love these. These are moss rose, and they, if you don't have a green thumb, that you don't think you have a green thumb, I think everybody has it. You put this down anywhere and it just takes off. So you don't have to maintain these at all. They don't need any watering, barely any watering. They will just grow and spread so quickly. So I'm putting this on that pot, and then I found the most amazing, I've never in my life seen this, but I'm excited. I'm gonna put it on that same trough. Is this beauty. It's a succulent. I don't know if you can see, but it has like pink at the edge of them, and the pollinators love this. This one, unfortunately, I also got at a local place. This is probably one of the most beautiful succulents I've ever seen in my entire life. So I hope that it does well on that trough, but that's one of my projects that I'm gonna get going on, is making that sort of trough on the pond a little nicer, because it's just I've ignored it with everything else that I've been doing in the pond. And the last one is I found, which I think is gorgeous, this echinacea, and it's a Sunseeker's White Perfection. So this is what it looks like, and that's the flower. Okay, wait, I forgot, I have one more, and if Home Depot literally just got a new shipment. I couldn't believe it, because I grew delicata squash from seed, but they're just not doing well with the cold and hot weather that we've been getting, fluctuating. They have heirloom winter squash delicata. Look at that. This was $3.33, and there's 3 plants, so a little over $1 each. So I got 2 of these to plant, so if the other ones don't survive, I have these. So sometimes, you know, you can't grow everything from seed when it comes to vegetables. Go look around. Sometimes it's a bargain, and they're in such good shape. Look at how green and beautiful these are. So I'll be planting those today. I got 6 of these. So Anyway, just wanted to tell you what I got for a haul. And I promise, I think I'm done buying plants. There's nowhere else to put them. So I'm gonna get going on planting, but I'm not gonna show you me planting right on this video. I just wanted to do a plant haul and show you those. And then I will record it and show you where I'm putting all these. But I think for now, I just wanted to show you everything that I got. And in case you're looking to get some new things, you consider some of these. So enjoy. I hope you're having a good day gardening for your mind, body, and soul.